Hey, good afternoon, Mid-Missouri. This is probably some of the only sunshine some of us will get to see today is on this camera at the Lake of the Ozarks. Beautiful day to get out on the boat, it looks like, for folks to the south. Near 88 degrees, almost 90 at the lake. And that's, meanwhile, folks are in the 70s near Columbia and northward. And not even just the 70s, in the low 70s. Columbia under some rain. Most of us, again, north of the lake, north of that boundary, keeping showers in the forecast. But again, if you're south of that boundary, it looks like sunshine for you and also warm temperatures. Take a look at our flood alerts. We still have an area flood warning in effect till 12:45. So again, this may not be there by the time this gets out, but this is an impact from the rain we saw early this morning. The copious amounts of rain that stretch really from Boone County and Audrain County all the way, and like almost a direct beeline all the way to St. Louis. We had an axis of rain where we saw at some points as much as 6 to 7 inches of rain, and that was even more than that near St. Louis. So some serious flooding in St. Louis this morning. And heat advisory, we still have one of those in place across the southernmost tip of our viewing area. That includes Camden County, Pulaski, and Phelps County, and that lasts until 7 o'clock tonight because, again, just to the south of that boundary, temperatures may be as warm as mid-90s for folks this afternoon, and that's with quite a bit of humidity as well. So again, going to feel quite hot near the lake, but you drive not too much farther north, and we're expecting highs in the low 80s, and that's if we can get to the low 80s, because remember, we're still in the 70s at this point when we're recording this just afternoon. So again, going to be a cloudy day. Off and on showers are expected into the afternoon hours, but we'll get a pickup in rain as we head into the overnight. So once we get to about midnight, we're expecting some activity to sort of move in from the west here, and that will bring in some, we'll say, some more widespread chances for rain. We'll also see some heavier rain as well than what we're seeing this afternoon. Not as heavy as what we had this morning. We're not going to see areas likely of 6+ inches, but we'll see maybe another inch to 2 inches out of that rainfall. So again, a good soaking rain where folks could still probably use the rain, especially south of I-70. As we head into early Thursday, we're watching some more activity that starts to roll on in that really kind of develops Wednesday afternoon, well off to our northwest. So we are expecting even more chances for rain as we head into the middle part of your work week. So it's not all today and tomorrow. We'll see more into Thursday as well. So here's an outlook between now and tomorrow at lunchtime. So Wednesday at lunch, we're likely already picking up around an inch, maybe more than that in some places. And that looks like it may lie through the middle to southern half of our viewing area. And we're going to keep daily chances for rain like this in mid-Missouri as long as the stationary front lingers nearby and keeps plenty of moisture overhead. You'll see we'll likely not get rid of it. We'll see a cold front move through as we head into your Wednesday, but that won't be enough to push it out. Doesn't push out until we get towards Friday afternoon, and that's where we're looking at some drier weather. Friday looking overall dry, but we'll keep chances for rain until then, including today. Our chances are fairly slim throughout the majority of your middle part of the day. It'll be off and on chances for some light showers with a high in the low 80s near Columbia, a little bit warmer to the south again if you're on the other side of that boundary, but chances for rain really pick up into the overnight hours just after midnight into the early morning hours on your Wednesday, and then we keep another round for rain in on Thursday before things dry out into Friday and for most of your Saturday.